Greetings from Industrial Effects. This is our latest offering. It's a 27-channel LED DMX controller. It allows you to control 256 level brightness on 27 channels of LEDs. I'm going to do a video here just to show you the basic connectivity and how you set it up for those that are not familiar with this type of controller. So first, on the board itself, on the left side is the power connection. It allows 7 to 24 volts and up to 15 amps total. The outputs are rated up to 1 amp each, so you're allowed to run 1 amp per output, but you cannot exceed 15 amps for the entire board. The red switch black is the DMX address bar, and it allows you to pick what address this particular controller corresponds to. There's an in and an out XLR DMX cable, a 3-pin, and this allows you to daisy chain multiple controllers together. Now for the demonstration, I'm going to have a later video. This is a model of a clown room that was done last year, and it worked out pretty good. And this was a controller that I thought would make a good addition to the line of products that we're offering. So in a later video, I'll do a demonstration of how the controller in action. So I have a laptop, and it's running Vixen. I think it's version 2.5, and it allows you to set up individual outputs. It's kind of hard to see, but this demonstration has 36 channels, and it allows you to dim those from 0 to level 255. So every time there's a square on the screen, it allows you to have it actually goes up to 255 levels, everywhere from completely out to full completely on. So out of the computer we have a USB cable, and then I'm running an Intec Open DMX controller available at ntec.com. And then out of the controller is a 5-pin XLR cable, which I have adapted to an Ethernet cable, and then the Ethernet cable has got a 3-pin XLR fitting on that cable. It's just the way that this particular setup is working. You can get a 5-pin to 3-pin XLR adapter, and then you can use all 3-pin cables. So the address on the first controller is set to 1, and I'm using 18 of the 27 available outputs for this particular controller, and I have the other lights split up on a second controller, and this controller is set to 19, so that's the first starting number of the first output. So the first output will be 19, the next output will be 20, 21, and so forth.